Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm a coaching center. So today I'm going to explain your 11th standard biology 17th chapter, that is breathing and exchange of gases part 2 video. So last video I explained about the respiratory system. So let's come to this video. So let's know about the mechanism of breathing. So here there are two mechanisms. They are inspiration and expiration. So in the process of taking air in is called as the inspiration. During inspiration, external muscles contract and internal intercostal muscle relax. It relaxes and diaphragm contacts and becomes diaphragm becomes flat, and this increases the volume of thoracic cavity posteriors, and due to which the volume of the thyroxine cavity increases and pressure decreases, and result the air from outside rushes into the air rushes into the lungs. Next is expiration. So expiration, that giving out of carbon dioxide, is called as expiration. And in this expiration, the intercost muscle relaxes, and the external cost muscle relaxes, and internal muscle contracts, and diaphragm makes it into dome shape. It becomes into the straight shape, but here it becomes domes, and pressure increases when we pushes the air out of the lungs. So what is pyrometer? It is an instrument which is used to measure the volume of the air involved in the breathing, it says us. So this pyrometer, what is pyrometer? They may ask for 1 marks, and the mechanism of breathing, they may ask for 5 marks. Next is the following respiration volumes and lung capacities. So lungs volume. So tidal volume, the volume of air inspired and expired during normal respiration, it is called as tidal value, or TV it is also called as. And the inspiration reserve volume, or it is also called as IRV, the short and also it is the additional volume of air a person can inspire in forcible inspiration. With forcible inspiration, that is 250 milliliter 2500 milliliter to 3000 milliliter it contains. And expiratory reserve volume, that is ERV, it is an additional volume of air a person can expire by forcible expiration, that is 1000 milliliter to 1100 milliliter air it can take. And residual volume, it is the volume in which air remaining in the lungs even after forcible expiration. The air that will be in still that air that will be in lungs, it is the 1100 milliliter to 1200 milliliter air that will be in lungs still after respiration also. So these all things they may ask for 1 marks. And lungs capacity, so IC, inspiratory capacity, the volume of air per a person can inspire after normal expiration, it is the TV, means tidal volume, plus IRV, that is the inspirational volume. The both when we plus, that is we get the inspiration capacity. Next is expiratory capacity, that is the total volume of air a person can expire after normal inspiration, after normal breathe, after the air he gets out leaves out, that is the tidal volume plus ERV, that is the expiratory reserve volume. Next is the fundamental residual capacity, the volume of air that remains in the lungs only, that is when we plus the uh, expiratory reserve volume plus residual volume. When we plus both, we get that. And vital capacity, the maximum volume of air a person can breathe out after forced inspiration. The out air that comes out is the expiratory reserve volume plus tidal volume plus inspiratory reserve volume. When we plus these three, we get the functional residual capacity, vital capacity we get. And total lung capacity, the air in total lungs we get is in the, when we plus in, it includes all the things, the ROA reserve volume, or residual volume, or expiratory reserve volume, or tidal volume, or inspiratory reserve volume. All these things involve the total lungs. Total lungs means all the things, the air in the lungs. So let's know about the mechanism of carbon dioxide transport in human beings. So what happens when 7% of carbon dioxide transportation is dissolved? That states that CO2 is carried out by hemoglobin as carbonic monoxide about 20 to 25% it carried out, and it has major part of CO2 about 70% is transported in the form of bicarbonate it comes out, and at tissue site PCO2 is high due to carbo catabolism, and also in blood and forms HCO2 and H plus ions it forms, and alveolar site that helps to relation proceed the opposite direction leading the formation of CO2 and H2O that makes CO2 and H2O. So like this it happens. So CO2, the carbon dioxide plus H2O, it becomes carbonic, and if it comes back from H2O and CO3 it becomes anhydrous, and when H2CO3 reacts and it becomes carbonic, and it forms HCO3 plus H plus ions, and when it returns to H2CO3, the HCO3 minus plus H plus ions, when it returns it becomes anhydride. Like this the mechanism of carbon dioxide in transport in the human beings. That also they may ask for 2 or 3 marks, or it is like a basic general knowledge if they not ask also. And also what next is the 2 marks question. What are the respiratory disorders or the problems we get? One is asthma, the difficulty in breathing due to inflammation of bronchi and bronchias. The another problem that we face is emphysema. That is the it is the chronic respiratory disorder in alveoli walls, and walls are damaged. The alveoli walls are damaged due to smoking. It is damaged. Next is occultation disorders. So inflammation of lungs due to inhalation or dust from cement, stone breaking, or due to cement, stone breaking, or some dust in breath when in air. By that we get the occultation disorder. So these are the problem that we face in the while the respiratory problems. So this was your chapter breathing and exchange of gases. So in this in this next part 2 video, the 5 marks question they will ask the mechanism of breathing, and 1 mark question they will ask the spirometer, and here lungs volume 1 marks they will ask every lung volume 1 marks per question. 1 marks it will contain, and finally the problems that we form by respiratory system, it is 2 marks they will ask. And this carbon dioxide transportation in human beings, this they may ask for 2 or 3 marks if they ask. So this was your chapter breathing and exchange of gases. So I think you have understand the chapter and also the question that they may ask for marks, how much marks the question they may ask, and which question they may ask you may understand. So okay friends, like my video, comment on my video, and subscribe my channel and then coaching center for more video. I will explain the next topics in my next video. Till then, take care, have a nice day, and share my video with your friends. Okay friends, bye, see you, take care, see you in my next video. Till then, take care, have a nice day, bye friends.